Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When working with multiple types of objects or specialized placement of text in your document, you may find grid lines useful. These lines can help you to accurately place objects into your document. You can turn grid lines on or off in your document by first clicking the View tab in the ribbon. Within the Show button group, then check the Grid Lines checkbox to enable the display of grid lines. Note that grid lines always appear within the Print Layout document view, and Word will switch you to that view if you enable the display of the grid lines when using another document view. Also note that grid lines aren't available in Read mode. When enabled, grid lines appear within the boundary margins of your document in Print Layout view. When you are done using the grid lines in your document, click the Grid Lines checkbox again to uncheck it and turn off the display of grid lines.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.